स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से और बात कर रहे हैं आज आप लोगों के साथ रेन इंडस्ट्री के बारे में। रेन इंडस्ट्रीज Q3 turnaround and 135 M profit with 45% EBITDA and growth to 501 M. Rain Industry reported a strong Q3 financial turnaround with the net profit of 135 million against previous year and loss of 1.60 billion, while revenue grew 16.85% to 43 billion. The company EBITDA performance was particularly impressive, rising 44.80% to 501 million, with margin improvement to 11.65 from 9.41 year-over-year, and demonstrating enhanced and operating efficiency across in carbon, advanced material, and cement business segments. Rain Industry Limited delivered a remarkable financial turnaround in Q3, achieving consolidated net profit of 135 million compared to a loss of 1.60 billion in the corresponding quarter of the previous year. The company consolidated revenue reached 43.00 billion from Q3, marking and significant growth from 36.80 billion in the year ago period. And Q3 financial performance highlight the quarterly result domestic grain industry successfully operational recovery and improved profitability metrics. The company reported EBITDA of 501 million from Q3, representing a substantial and 44.80 increases from 346 million in the corresponding quarter of the previous year. The EBITDA margin expanded to 11.65% from 9.41% year-on-year, reflecting enhanced and operational efficiency and cost management. And Q3 performance metrics: current Q3, previous year Q3, net profit and loss 135 million, and previous year Q3 1.60 billion, revenue 43.00 billion, or previous year 36.80 billion, EBITDA 501 million, and previous year Q3 346 million. EBITDA margin 11.65%, current Q3, and previous year Q3 9.41%. और आप लोगों ने देखा हिस्टोरिकल स्टॉक रिटर्न्स फॉर रेन इंडस्ट्री 1 day -3.81% and 5 day +1.04% and 1 month +10.45%.